Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Poshmark account. So let's get started right away. In order to delete your account, first of all open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in poshmark.com and press enter. Now log into your account from the official website using your login credentials or your Facebook or your Google account, and you will be taken into this homepage. Now from your homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then scroll down and click Account Settings. Now from the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find Manage Account Status. Just click on this and then you will find an option to delete your account. Click on Delete My Account and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Just go ahead and log into your email address and enter the code that you see within the inbox from Poshmark, and after you enter your code, click on the Done button. Then you will be asked one last time whether you are sure that you want to delete your account, and after you provide the confirmation, your account will be deleted. Make sure you don't sign into your account for at least a month to confirm the permanent deletion of your Poshmark account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Poshmark application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.